One of Engineered Recycling Systems' latest innovations is our online customer portal system. This video shows an example portal in which the respective project data and documents are accessible online. In our portal you will find certain subcategories such as Table of Content, Technical Documentations and Videos and Pictures. Table of Content consists of a plant drawing where you can click on the individual parts of the drawing to go directly to the information on the respective plant component. You can view all documents directly online in your browser or download them to your computer. In the category of Technical Documentation, you can select individual files directly. The files are divided into different subgroups like drawings, spare parts, manuals, disconnect, and lockout procedures, and electric wiring diagrams. With Engineered Recycling Systems, all project information will be stored digitally in our online customer portals. This means that 24/7 you will have access to all the drawings, specifications at your fingertips. When a project is completed, a customized portal is created, and your designated point person will be given access to the portal via password. If Engineered Recycling or our customers make changes to the system, we will update the portal with the new information.